Welcome to YOUCANIC. Here we're going to answer a question that we get quite often, and is whether Mercedes will start if the batteries in your key fob are dead. And so the short answer is yes. So if you have a good key, even if it has no batteries in it, of course you won't be able to unlock the doors by pressing this button right here. But what you can do is you remove the blade from inside here and open the driver's door, and then you can insert that key in the ignition and it will unlock and start the car. So and the reason why that works is that here you can see there's this coil that comes around. This is the ignition switch right here, and then you see this coil that comes right around here. This, when you insert the key, induces a magnetic field into the key, and the key has a chip inside. It has a that it will respond to that and send a signal back to the ignition switch. So even though the key has no batteries on it, it will still, once this field is induced in the key, it will still work. So that's why you should be able to start a Mercedes even if the key fob battery is dead. Now the only time that that it's not going to work exactly like this is if you have push start button. If you have a push start button, you will need to have working batteries inside for that push start to work. But let's say you don't have batteries, so what do? You can grab the push start button from here. It's plugged in right there actually, even though it says stop start. Just pull that out and then this will be exposed, and then you can insert your key and then try to start the vehicle. So even if you have keyless start, you should still be able to start your vehicle by removing the start button and inserting the key and turning it. So that's one of the tips. We've had that question come up a few times, so we just wanted to explain how that works and why. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC.